today I'm gonna showcase the how is it Big the Cat update. It's pretty boring kinda, cause it's scavenger hunts, but it's not an event zone. If you don't wanna do it, it's so right. You're not gonna miss nothing. Oh frick! I don't want this child. It's not even enchanted. Let me get that one. Anyways, I know I've missed some updates like where's oh yeah, the aberrator tails update. And I wanted to do a video cause you know I like doing videos. Anyways, I don't know why there's a new plane that costed Robux. That cost Robux. I thought they weren't gonna cost Robux, but they do. And the new chows are like scuba diving chows. That's cool. They are marine chows. I wish I could buy them because they give you 3+ dry air. Oh, you can drown now. That's very realistic. But I don't want Sonic to drown. So I'm gonna try not drowning him. If I do, you know, I'm gonna choose to make a ceremony for him because it was all my fault. You can go over here, up. This is my favorite spot because you go here, bum, bum, boom, boom, boom. And there's a lot of these bees thingy looking. Oops, no! I fell. Oh well, I can get up here. Nope. Oh my, I hate this water thingy. Because when I do this, I go super slow. The dark aquatic chows are pretty good. But I bought the original though. So I'm gonna have to I got this one from this, and I got this speed vibe from the A Million Ring one. That was like the second nothing this whole game. And yeah, that's all the new stuff, I guess. I think maybe I missed us. Oh yeah, maybe this thingy. Maybe we're gonna fight Chaos, the watermon villain of Sonic. Hopefully, because everyone thought the Tails update, the flying, it was gonna be the Eggman boss update, but it wasn't. Even though it was shadow behind it, it was like a shadow of Deadhead or that robot. So yeah, that's all the new stuff. And there's a pet Froggy. I didn't know that. Oh, that's cool. Anyways, that's my little showcase or update video about this update. I'm gonna do another, but when I have it, probably like in 2 days maybe. I don't know. I'm maybe gonna do a second channel, even though no one watches, but who cares? Anyways, bye.